They say to only bring what you can carry. So with the all-new 2025 Ford Expedition Tremor, bring a lot. Like 3 dirt bikes, a few tents, an entire crew ready to make memories. A panoramic 24-inch display, and the confidence to push the limits. The all-new 2025 Ford Expedition Tremor.
Always consult the owner's manual before outdoor driving. Know your terrain and trail difficulty. Use appropriate safety gear. Max payload, varies based on accessories, vehicle configuration. See label on door camper carrying capacity of the specific vehicle. Always properly secure cargo.
Campfire meals are back at Cracker Barrel. That tender, juicy, cooked in a tinfoil packet to perfection, favorite campfire chicken has returned, along with campfire beef and shrimp skillets, starting at just $10.99. And do I smell s'mores brownie skillet? Campfire meals are back, but not for long. So come get your summer on at Cracker Barrel. Price may vary by location. Check your local store for pricing and availability.
Kirko, baby. I came down, hold up. I came down, hold up, flip the brain, roll up, and your girlfriend want a nigga like me, cause I ain't tryna control love. She called me when she wanna change, back down in my pinky range. She know you weak and me ain't the same. You hit the scene, I'll make the scene. I'm in her head like Maybelline, H-time so I'm Maybelline. I'm in her soul, I make it scream. I'm right told, don't pay the change. I'm easy tag like Nita Band. She want a man, know me a man. I'm flying down your boulevard. She cooking dinner, you so fast. Wake up, still die, yo bitch know what I'm talking about. What's up, who alive, we get it poppin' and talking about. She like to do it with the lights on, don't matter to me if it's off or not. When she up, east up, cross her pants, I'm hard fried. I know that you really want somebody, that don't really need you. Girl, I know that you really want somebody that ain't tryna keep. You know what I say? They get you dead. They ain't tryna love you, baby. Just what you said. Yeah, they said I'm nothing, baby. You know that I'm coming, baby. Just get on my phone whenever you need. She's some company that is shaking up. Oh yeah. I got this drink in my car. I got this drink in my car. I came down, had him up, slow pitch, change up, same hood, same style, same drink, same cup. She called me when she wanna fuck. I never call, she know what's up. Same page, same book, different song, same hook. Every time her nigga shook, she on the phone with the same crook. And every time I pull up, she hit me with that same look. Left fight, that's right, she left him in for that get right. I'm in the middle like midnight, and only if you got that sit tight. Only if you got that wine fine. Only if you got that sip tight. Only if you got that mind bomb. Only if you got that sip tight. Eat that shit like wine time. Tell me, baby, I'm pimp type. I'm used to being that one of them, but girl, you got that good word. Girl, I know how much you really want somebody. Want somebody that don't really need you. Girl, I know how much you really want somebody. Want somebody that ain't tryna keep. You know what I say? It's you today. That ain't tryna love you, baby. Just what you said. If they tell them that, baby, you know that I'm coming, baby. Just get on my phone whenever you need you some company. You know, it's time. Oh yeah. I got this drink in my cup. So I got this drink in my cup. Cup. I came down. Hold up. Say hold up. I done came down like hold up. Hold up. Shit. Kush roll, glass full, I prefer the better things. Niggas with no money act like money isn't everything. I'm having a good time, they just trying to ruin it. Shout out to the fact that I'm the youngest nigga doing it. Cap on, brim bend, dance, sell every time. She ain't trying to pop that shit for pimp, okay, but never mind. I tried to told you Drizzy still ain't nothing nice. Bracelet saying you should quit. Cars saying fuck your life. Okay, now we out of here. Toodles to you bitches. And if you dolled up, I got the voodoo for you bitches. Yeah, I'm busy getting rich. I don't want trouble. I made enough for two niggas for a stunt double. Famous like a drug that I'm taking too much of. But I never ever trip. Just peace, happiness, and love. I got money in these jeans, so they fit me kinda snug. Plus the game is in my pocket, nigga. This is what I do. Whatever, man. Fuck what they be talking about. Their opinion doesn't count. We the only thing that matters. So we do it how we do it. All up in your face, man. I hate to put you through it. I be up all night, whole crew's in here. Cause I don't really know who I'ma lose this year. Oh, man, I love my team. Man, I love my team. I would die for the niggas.
Dizzy say get her, I'm a getter. I got that kind of money, make a broke bitch bitter. I got that kind of, wait, fixate. Which bitch you know made $1 million off a mixtape? That was just a keepsake. Bought the president, the Louis presidential briefcase. Never been the cheapskate. We got the Hawks, I ain't talking about the peach state. Man, for Pete's sake, smash that, sweepstakes. Fuck I look like, ho? I look like yes, and you look like no. I'm a bad bitch. I ain't never been a mixed breed on a diet, but I'm doing donuts in a 6-speed. M6 in front of M2. I see a lot of rap bitches on the menu, but I collect 100 thou at the venue and pop bottles with my team. Young money till the
I'm about whatever, man. Fuck what they be talking about. Their opinion doesn't count. We the only thing that matters. So we do it how we do it. All up in the face, man. I hate to push through it. I be up all night, whole crew's in there. Cause I don't really know who I'ma lose this year. Oh, man, I love my team. Man, I love my team. I would die for them niggas.
I mean, we can't even rock through shoes if it don't got a time on the price.
For some reason, this Ring camera stopped working. And I see a little crack right on my camera right here. We know who did that one. So, I just decided to get a new one. And that downstairs camera, I don't have cameras inside, just outside. So the indoor one, that'd be good. I'm gonna just put it on my front door. Or I should put it by my patio.
I tried to show.
But it's only one person that jump up there. So I'll just keep it by the front door.
I tried to show. Yeah.
Not a breath.
Yeah. Gone on you with the pick and roll. Young flame, yeah, sicko mode.
They can see it with all the ice on in the booth. At the gate outside, when they pull up, they give me loose. Yeah, jump out, boys. That's like the most I'm in our goose. This shit way too big. When we pull up, give me the loot. Was off the Remy, had up at boost. Had to hit my old down, it's got the news. 2-4 hour lockdown, we made no moves. Now it's 4 a.m. and I'm back up popping with the cool. I just let it in, just be missing spot like Jamba Joe's. Different color chains, think my jewelry really selling fruits. And they joking, man, know the crackers wish it was a new. Someone said.
From when the retreat, we all in too deep. Play for keeps, don't play for weeks.
Someone said.
When the retreat, we all in too deep. Play for keeps, don't play for
This shit way too formal, y'all know I don't follow suit. Stacy Dash, most of these girls ain't got a clue. All of these hoes I made off records I produce. I might take all my exes and put them all in a group. Hit my essays, I need the boost. About to turn this function and find a roof. Told her I been, you coming too. In the 305, bitches treat me like I'm Uncle Luke. Had to slap the top off, it's just a roof. She said, where we going? And I said, the moon. We ain't even make it to the room. She thought it was the ocean, it's just a pool. Now I gotta open, it's just a ghost. Who put this shit together? I'm the glue. Someone said, Shorty face, Tommy out the blue. Someone said,
Playing for keeps.
someone said, someone said. Yeah! That's so. Yeah, yeah. Hey, hey. She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Yeah. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. I did half a Zen, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, ayy. Like a light, ayy. Like a light, ayy. Slept through the flight, ayy. Knocked for the night. 767, man, this shit got double bedroom, man. I still got scores to settle, man. I crept down the block, made a right, yeah. Cut the lights, yeah. Pay the price, yeah. Niggas think it's sweet. It's on sight, yeah. Nothing nice, yeah. Vegas on my ice, Jesus Christ, yeah. Checks over stripes, yeah. That's what I like, yeah. That's what we like. Yeah. Lost my respect. You not a threat. When I shoot my shot, that shit wetty like on Shaq. See the shots that I took. Wet like on Book. Wet like on Lizzie. I be spinning body circle blocks till I'm dizzy. Like where is he? No one see him. I'm trying to clean him, yeah. She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with duffels in my hands. Woo! I did half a Zen, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, 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 like a light. Yeah, Pastor Dawson said he's sending texts and sending kites. Yeah, he said keep that on like I said, you know this shit is tight. Yeah, it's absolute. Yeah, I'm back with Boot. It's lit. Not for right. The Jamba Juice, yeah. We back on the road, they jumping off no parachute, yeah. Shorty in the back, she say she working on the glutes, yeah. Ain't by the book, yeah. This how it look, yeah. By the check, yeah. Just check the foots, yeah. Pass this to my daughter, I'ma show her what it took. Baby mama cover fours, got these other bitches shook, yeah. Ooh. Yo, 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 yo. I swear they let me in this motherfucking rap game. Got the chick I call it Lola. She feel like the ocean, like to drink and smoke some Doja. And I feel like smoking, plus she good at drumming cobras. I feel like I'm chosen, but she ain't the only one. No. Got the chick I call it Katia. She be acting bougie, then she came through and tied me up. Now she just the groupie, got the aura of the mafia. Her friends wish they knew me, but they can't tell how to be. Okay, so.
I need to get a cute. It's working. It's working. I need to get a floating. You know the stuff that go under the TV? I want to get a floating, would it be a TV stand? But the TV not on it though. Floating shelter. Should I put it on the wall or put it on the wall or on the table? You know, it's wall. I don't think I need to be putting nothing in the wall. I'll just put it on the floating thing I get. Let me see which one look better. They do look better on the wall though. but it does it better. I'm just get a floating shelf and then.
Black bitches, service, my green chain and my brown legs when I'm flexing. Bitch, I got to be mine, nigga, did a line, I check them. See the gangsta shit's done to perfection. Nigga better believe me, I make it look easy. Damn, I ain't being sober. I'm a smoke, I'm a friend, I'm a drink, I'm saying I want my reward. I'm always take a over, but I'm roller. When we roll up, bitches be on us, so I'm holding a smoking, and no drinking, and that's over. For no reason, we take stuff over. Y'all know us. We smoke strong, watch me roll up, the suck that stuff
My weed so strong, my cheese so long. Roll so many joints, soon I might need a lung. Spend so many grams that I might need some band. That's your bitch, why she acting like she need a man? I'm faded. Talking mills cause I made it. Talking pounds cause I smoked this. Talking gay cause I played it. I'm wasted. Rose is my favorite. All you push, you can taste it. Find Chris by the cases. I hate being sober. Don't smell no one smoke. And me and my niggas gon' roll up. But it gon' vibe on you. You think you can roll up. You smoke by the ounce. Well, bitch, I smoke by the pound.
Damn, I ain't being sober. I'm smoke, I'm drink, I'm saying, what Molly want, I'm so when we roll up, bitches be on us, all that long, and no drinking, and tapped over, for no reason, bitch, we take stuff over. Y'all know us, we smoke strong, watch me roll up, the sun is stuff over.
Some people just load and see hundreds on car insurance by checking Allstate first. Like you know to check the GPS directions first, before driving to the mall. Turn right at the light. In 1,000 miles, you will reach Montreal.
Not Montreal, the mall.
Recalculating. 6,000 miles to Nepal.
No, the mall.
Checking first is smart. Recalculating. So check Allstate first for a quote that could save you hundreds. You're in good hands with Allstate. Save there. Subject to terms, conditions, and availability. Allstate Fire and Casualty Insurance Company and affiliates, Northbrook, Illinois.
Life is beautiful and fragile. We fall. We get tired. And sometimes we get sick. But with Corewell Health, we are also strong. We fight disease. We battle cancer. We come together. We come back. We push forward. When the body breaks, we break through. Corewell Health. We can.
If you're better, trust you on the street.
Setup did not complete. Check your internet connection and try again.
Ain't no necklace. Sit on ski resort. Fall off in the spot. Every girl.
Bada bing, body chicken. Niggas like they is.
Anyways, let's see. This last ring doorbell does not fit on no one, so we're gonna reinstall it. Get these screws out. It feels super good, y'all. I love being hot. But not too hot. But y'all get what I'm saying? Ooh, Moosey gonna be out of me. That's to protect Moosey.
See all deals in the Meyer app.
It's got a motherfucker piano. Fuck going on. Bitch, I'm me. Is what you know about me. BGLONGLE.
What's that on that beat? Oh.
I was good, I'm on, that's the way it was. Yes. But baby, who you need?
She wants to lean, she want the Gucci. I ride with them honey's on me, I got a Gucci. Pull up in the Jeep, I put it on for a Jeep. I want your body, give me something on the front seat. We gon' go for an hour, then we gon' move to the back seat. When you give me a lap dance, baby, bless for the cat key. Run it back, run it back, run it back, run it back like a track beat. Then relax me, you ain't gotta ask me. G, I blew a back out. Fucking that bitch got a tapping up. Got me bustin' like bustin' the racks out. I got a ride in the photo, ready to design no polo. I was in the ring at the water, bought her the car of Coco. I gotta drape you up. She got baby just nigga with us. I got diamonds gon' grip on the pussy, keep them in the cut. I keep them bad for her. She know that she coming, of course. Had to throw that bad ass in the port. Gotta face that ass to the north. Yeah. She wants to lean, she want the Gucci. I ride with some honey's on me, I got a blue cheek. Pull up in a Jeep, I put it on for a Jeep. I want your body, give me some talk on the front seat. We gon' go for an hour, then we gon' move to the back seat. When you give me a lap dance, baby, that's for the cat key. Run it back, run it back, run it back, run it back like a track meet. Then relax me, you ain't gotta ask me. She wants to lean. I'm a Celine King. Eat the pussy with my grandma, put it all on my bling bling. I call her my little mama, she want the Balenciaga. Sippin' sake at the bowl, cause we can't go to Benihana.
And the baby didn't even look scared.
Sorry, you guys. I had to do some homework, honey. I had to do some homework. What? They was talking about me in the comments? Hold on.
I mean, it made me sad.
What happened?
Yeah, because I wanted to help the baby.
What happened?
I'm sorry. Click.
Wait, I don't see. I can't see.
The old baby on the corner trick, eh? I'm not gonna fall for that shit.
I hate when I don't look too long and then the bitches be gone, man.
You know, I start feeling bad.
But anyways,
Time goes by, I start feeling hurt.
I'm doing great. I need to wash my face again, honestly. But I'm doing good. Just needed to clean, start all that shit. I should be done early with this semester because I'm just gonna get all this shit done, do two things a week, which is only gonna be, it's only gonna take me probably 4 weeks to do this class. And then the rest of the class, I can just relax and plan Mumi's birthday, I guess. See what that's all about. That's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. You depressed? It's okay, sister. You'll get through it. Hey, sis. Yeah, they was talking crazy. They always talking crazy when I'm not looking. Y'all gotta pay attention. Bitches be knowing when to talk crazy. Bitches be knowing. As soon as this phone get close, comments moving slow as a turtle. Oh, okay, what's up? What happened? What happened? Them bitches don't get taken seriously. They just be bored. But anyhow. Where what? What happened? How's your day? Good. Sunday reset? I really didn't reset because I already mopped my floors and shit like that. So I'm not sure. I really don't care what you got going on. Hey, babes. Pay your car note, girl. Pay my car note. No, I ain't got one. My bad, sister. I forgot. Queen, how much is it? How much is it, Queen? I just might. I just fucking might. Hey, babes. Thank you, sister. Minx is probably going to sleep until 6 p.m. I'm probably about to wake him up, though. We need to go to the store and get some milk. Get some more cereal. Let me see what kind of cereal. All the cereals is open. Thank you very much. Probably all stale as hell now. Cinnamon. Yeah, we need to go get some milk and let me take some of this freezer. Oh. Let's see. I don't want to make nothing but chicken right now. I'm going to get me a rice cooker. Yeah, we got to get some shit to cook too. I might just order out again. But we need to run to the store and get some milk and I'm gonna eat some damn chicken noodle soup. With a soda on the side. Whew. Thank you guys for spending some time with me, honey. Thank you very much. I don't have a life, as you guys know. Thanks to my dumb decisions once again. Not smart decisions, honey. But our life is coming back soon. I'm gonna just go put that Ring camera up because it got some good juice on there. Then I need to look for me a floating shelf or a floating TV stand. I want to get one that's shattered glass like my decor, but I kind of want a white one, honestly. So I'm gonna see what's tea with that. I really need to be seeing what my backyard camera battery on. I see it was teas over there. That's all it. What happened? Wait, what happened when? I just been cleaning all day, honey. Cleaning and doing homework. As a boss bitch should. Trying to stay sucker free, you understand me? Not trying to let nothing stress me out. Can't be stressed out, man. I refuse. It's going great, sister. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Did she just start talking? Yes, I just started talking, you guys. Sometimes I gotta be quiet and just shut up, you know? Sometimes I just gotta shut the fuck up. Is that okay? Everybody don't want to talk all damn day. Sometimes I want to shut up. I just want to yap and have some company, you know? And my moosies makes it happen, I guess. Not I guess, I know. Oh, it's not okay, OMG. Am I gonna nap? Probably not. I slept a lot yesterday. I slept the whole day yesterday. I'm finna go wake up Minx and see what he got going on. Getting that sleep schedule back on gonna be a hell to pay, honey. Let me see what day we can go to the beach. Let's see what's hot this week. We're gonna do a beach day. I usually be lazy when I go to the beach. We don't be leaving till about 2-3 o'clock. By then the sun be going down, water don't be as hot. So we need to go early to the beach. And plus, I want to go to Grand Havens Beach. I don't want to go to Millennium Park. Either Grand Haven or the one up farther by Muskegon, but I don't know. I think that's Grand Haven. I don't know. But let's see. Let me see what the weather is giving. I want it to be over 90 when we go. Damn, it's only giving 80s. It's only giving 80s. Then it's raining Wednesday through Saturday. Oh. Well, no beach for us until next weekend. It's looking like next weekend. Yeah, Grand Haven is a good, nice ass beach. I ain't gonna lie. It really is. Hey, sister. Benny mind his damn business. When are you posting that glueless wig? I did a glueless wig. I don't remember. Don't remember doing a glueless wig. The only wig I gotta post that I got in my phone. Oh, I gotta post that tonight, by the way. Is the black. Wait. Yeah, the black middle part. I wanted to show you how it's in. I should never waited so long to upload that one because I'm talking about the shame the video. Y'all already went on stream and all that. So when y'all see video, just watch it and scroll and just watch it and scroll. Today is a good day for the beach. It kind of is, ain't it? But it's too late. It's already 2 o'clock. I ain't trying to be. And then we live like an hour away from Grand Haven, I think. Let's see. And Mommy's is with her papa, so I didn't have to wait for him to take her to Cadence. And I got to go to Cadence and pick her up. And it's just too much going on. Grand Haven. Oh, we actually don't live an hour away. I don't. I live 45 minutes away from here. I live 51 minutes away from the beach. Cool. 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 Ooh, they got them beach houses over here, man. I can't wait to get rich. Okay. But anyways, no, I just told you I'm not going to no fucking beach at 2 o'clock. I just literally said that. Shut the fuck up. Talking to me. Like, seriously. The fuck? Damn. But anywho. Sorry for my outburst. I'm on my period, you guys. My hormones are kind of wacky. I'm bleeding so heavy. I'm really uncomfortable. It's just too much going on. I think my period will be off in a couple days. So, sorry. Sorry for that. My bad. Okay, I gotta call y'all back in 3 minutes. I mean, not 3. I gotta call y'all back in 10 to 15 minutes. I'm gonna go see if Mink's wanna wake up yet. I'm finna at least try and get them on a sleeping schedule where they wake up at 10 a.m. If I let them go to sleep at 3 a.m., at 2 a.m., that should be good. Because this shit is fucked, honey. It's fucked. It's really fucked. Like, no other else. Thanks for the gifts, babe. But anyways. Okay, bye. Love you guys. See you bitches by 3 o'clock. Probably, honestly, by 2:30. Depends on how I'm feeling. Depends on how I'm feeling, honey. And I gotta try on these outfits. At least I got some new extra things to wear. So, yeah. But, okay, bye.